Okay, when this schoolie pulled in, a few people got excited because they all went, "Oh, that's the free T bus." So let's get a nice little tour of the bus here.
Welcome. Yeah, my name is Giuseppe. This is Edna Lou, the free T bus.
Yeah.
We're at Schoolie Palooza.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Just tell a little bit about the bus and
Yeah.
how you became the free T bus.
Yeah. Well, I bought this bus. It'll be 10 years ago in March. I moved into this bus the first day I bought it, so it was just a little empty yellow school bus. The seats had been taken out before me, but that was pretty much it. Rubber floor, metal ceiling, very empty. And over the course of the past 10 years of living here, I've definitely, made it home. This is 99% salvage wood, 75% salvage hardware, including screws, plumbing, latches, fixtures. It runs on recycled vegetable oil. Only about 5% of the fuel I've used in the last 10 years has been petroleum-based, so either vegetable oil or biodiesel mostly. The sink, the hot water is heated by waste engine heat and waste solar power. So when I drive, waste energy in the form of heat is, most cars, the radiator radiates it out into the atmosphere. This recaptures that into a hot water tank. And then also once the solar batteries are full, it sends extra electricity into the hot water tank. So,
Good idea.
yeah, filtered water, wood stove. This is my main source of heat in the winter. Got a solar powered fridge right here. It's a little full at the moment, lots of food. One of the most exciting parts a lot of people like is the bed, which lowers down from the ceiling. So this whole platform drops down. It's an extra long twin, and that's usually how I use it, but you can throw a couple supports in and it slides out to a king size bed out to here. So the whole back can be the bed. It's two mattresses, 2 sheets of plywood.
Great use of space.
Yeah, that's like the number one thing. People with a small bus or van, first thing they do is they put a queen size bed in the back, and that's most of the living space, or half the living space at least. So this really just allowed a lot more seating, and since this is a tea house, it kind of allows it to be a little bit more spacious for people. And then just lots of little latchy things that close, lots of things that slide out, roll out. It's a roll-out table, bench, chair, cutting board. It's also my wood box. I picked up some recycling. I didn't want it next to my driver's seat because I think I was drinking.
Yeah.
But lots of multi-function things in here.
And that's really the key.
Yeah.
Multi-function. If it doesn't have 2 functions or more, at least, it's not worth.
I got that in there. This is my fold-down desk.
All right.
Depending on what angle you're parked on, you can adjust it.
Yep.
Lots of little slide-out containers for holding stuff.
And of course, that latches up, keeps everything in
up
when you're driving.
Yeah. Making sure that everything is secure is definitely a very important thing in a small space like this, and for moving down the road.
Yeah.
Got my closet over here. Yeah, and then everything is storage. Everything has.
Well, yeah, that's the other trick is maximize the space. A nice library up here.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's home.
Yeah, to me, this is as close to a feel of like a gypsy wagon.
Yeah.
Because of just the difference in the textures and the colors, and just got a warm feel to it.
Yeah, I was trying to go for a mix of gypsy wagon, marine, boat feel.
Right.
I grew up on an island, so definitely around lots of boats, and but comfortable. I just want people to feel comfortable when they come aboard. Because this bus, I pull up on random city streets, events, anywhere where there's people, and make tea for free. And so it's fun. I can pull and park this on the side of a sidewalk in downtown whatever city, and all of a sudden there's this little gypsy wagon living room that people can come aboard and have tea.
Yeah, very welcoming.
Yeah. So it's pretty fun. Yeah.
And how did you become the free tea bus, though?
I started serving tea. It's actually 12 years ago this month. I was living in a pickup truck in Los Angeles, working full-time as a video editor, sitting in front of a computer screen, and I basically wasn't having genuine human interactions. I was actually working more like 50 or 60 hours a week, kind of ungodly hours. And in Hollywood, you don't really make money your first year or whatever. You kind of do an internship or whatever someone calls it. So I was lonely. I had no money. I was not having genuine human interactions. I had no community. And everywhere I went in the city, all my interactions revolved around profit maximization. I'd go to the bar, girls would come up, hey, you want to buy me a drink? You buy them a drink, and they walk away. It's like the least genuine human interaction you can possibly have. So I just started going down to Hollywood Boulevard after work and opening the tailgate of my pickup truck that I was living in, and I'd cook my dinner and cook a little bit of extra, and people would sit with me and eat with me. People were curious, what are you doing here? What is this? And then I would just put the kettle on and make tea for hours afterwards. And all of a sudden I started having genuine human interactions. I started having community. All these basic needs, these basic like social emotional needs that I wasn't having being met, started being met through sharing. And so for me it became a way to have my basic needs met, and since then it's really become a way for me to provide a space, a completely non-monetary space for other people to have their basic human needs of genuine human interactions and to be met. So that's kind of how it started, and yeah, 10 years ago I bought this bus and decided to dedicate my life to it. Hi guys!
How's it going?
It's going good. Yeah.
Do you have any internet presence? No.
Yeah, I have a website. It's freeteaparty.org. Edna Lou, Edna space L-U is a person on Facebook, Edna Lou the T-Bus. And yeah, Instagram at Free Tea Party.
Okay.
So, yeah.
I'll try to put the links down below.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thanks for coming and hanging out with me.
Yep. There you go. And if you ever see him on the road, trust me, he makes an excellent cup of tea. All right. See you later, YouTube.